To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Ranger XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, tilt the cargo box up to access the spark plugs. Clean out the plug wells with compressed air to remove any loose dirt or debris. Rinse the plug wells with water and dry with compressed air. Spark plug wells have drain holes built into the cylinder head to allow water to drain out. Then, carefully remove the spark plug caps. If reusing the spark plugs, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Then, carefully loosen the spark plugs using the spark plug wrench provided in the toolkit and remove from the vehicle by rotating it counterclockwise. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup, and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plugs should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Next, inspect the spark plugs for correct color. The normal insulator tip is gray, tan, or light brown with few combustion deposits with unburnt and uneroded electrodes. This indicates the proper type and heat range for the engine and the service. The tip should not be white. A white insulator tip indicates overheating caused by an improper spark plug or incorrect throttle body adjustments. A wet fouled insulator tip is black. If it is black, this usually means excessive oil consumption, use of non-recommended oil, or poor fuel quality. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gaps if needed. If necessary, replace the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, carefully install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the spark plug caps. Then, reinstall the spark plug caps and tilt the cargo box down. Finally, start the engine in a well-ventilated area to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.